Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's make a French chocolate cake. The cake is soft, moist, very rich, almost mousse soufflé-like. I will make the cake in a 23 cm springform cake pan. First, I will grease the form with some oil, bottom and the sides. And insert parchment paper to make sure that I can easily remove the cake from the pan when it's ready. I will cut the parchment paper bigger than the bottom of the cake pan. As I will put water in the baking tray with the cake, the parchment paper sides will help to prevent the water from getting inside. We also need to grease the parchment paper. Now I will put aluminum foil around the cake pan to prevent water from getting in the cake. Pan is ready now. Let's set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put 225 grams of unsalted butter in a small pot on the stove on medium-low heat to melt. Add to it also 90 grams sugar and 250 grams of chocolate broken into pieces to melt. Slowly stir until everything melts and is smooth. Remove the pot from the stove and let it cool a bit. In the meanwhile, let's separate 5 egg yolks from egg whites in 2 big bowls. Now the chocolate butter mixture has cooled a little. Let's add to it and mix in 30 milliliters of orange liqueur. And put it aside for now. Let's beat the egg yolks a little for about a minute till they are lighter and fluffy. Add 15 grams flour to the egg yolks and mix in till the batter is smooth. Now let's gradually add the chocolate butter mixture. Add a pinch of salt to the egg whites and beat the egg whites with a clean and dry whisk till they are stiff. Let's gradually fold them in the batter and make sure we have mixed them in the whole batter till the bottom of the bowl, not just the top. The batter is ready. Let's put a deeper baking tray in the oven and pour in some boiling water. Now the ready batter needs to be poured in the prepared cake pan and we can put the cake in the oven to bake. Let's add more water in the baking tray so that water is approximately 2 centimeters deep. And let the cake bake for 30 minutes. It should look cooked and the middle feels soft. Mine has cracked, but it's fine because we will flip it and have a smooth top of the cake. Remove the aluminum foil and let the cake cool. There is a little bit of water in the foil, so it's good that I have the parchment paper side, which kept the water out. When the cake has cooled a bit, run a knife around the edges and remove the springform side. Put a big plate above the cake and flip it over to remove from the form and the parchment paper. Decorate the cake as you wish and enjoy. Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!